Right. Your first question, which is a classroom object? Right, okay. That is a very easy question. So, classroom object, that is desk, bed, stove means uduna, and pillow, kottaya. Yeah, the classroom object එකක් තමයි desk කියන්නේ. Right. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. We are moving to question number 2. What do we wear on our feet? Right. What do we wear on our feet? Foot means යටි පතුල. Feet කියන්නේ යටි පතුල්. එහෙනම් අපි යටි පතුල් වලට මොනවද දාන්නේ? අකුල් වලට මොනවද අපි දාන්නේ? Right? Hat, තොප්පි, no. Shirt දාන්නෙත් නෑ. මේ glasses, කන්නඩි දානවද කකුල් වලට? No. Right. So the correct answer is shoes. Sapattu. Right. Okay. Let's see the leaderboard. Still, Susmi Saindi is in the first place, and Onil Sehas is in second place, Minuli third, Sasmitha fourth, Rehansa fifth. Right, okay, you all are doing great. Right, just keep it up, everyone. We are moving to question number 3. You had to fill the blank here. She blank my friend. Right, it is very easy question. She is my friend. Right, you can't say am දාන්නේ අපි only with I සමග විතරයි. Then are අපි දාන්නේ බහුවචනයත් එක්ක. have මෙතන කොහොමද ගලපෙන්නේ නැහැ තියනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. So the correct answer is she is my friend. Right. All right. So Chonara has come to the 4th place and Sasmitha is in the 5th place. We are moving to question number 4. Here also you have to fill the blank. Yes, 23 correct answers are there. The correct answer is they. They කියවම බහුවචනයි. Then the answer should be they are. They are playing. ඔවුන් සෙල්ලම් කරමින් ඉන්නවා. Right. Okay, so moving to question number 5. We blank happy. It was also a very easy question, right? We are happy. Okay, so no change in the leaderboard. You are moving to question number 6. Right, the cat is, look at the picture. You have to look at the picture. The cat is blank the table. Right, so you could read the sentence well. Right, so the table, you saw the table, I think, right? The cat is, there was a chair under the table, right? It was on the chair under the table, right? අර මේසේ යට පුටුවේ උඩ තමයි හිටියේ. See? අන්න අපි හිතන්නේ නැති වෙලාවලට බලන්න නේ. You have to think and you have to read the question well, the sentence maybe. ප්‍රශ්නේ ඒ වාක්‍ය හොඳට කියවන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. හදිසි වෙන්න එපා. So the cat is under the table. All right? That is the correct answer. In කියන්නේ තුල, ඇතුලේ, then on කියන්නේ උඩ, තුල මේසේ උඩ නෙමෙයි මෙයා හිටියේ, මේසේ යට තිබ්බ පුටුවේ උඩ. Then at, now at කියන්නත් අපි ස්ථානයක් ගැන කියද්දි දාන්නේ. Right here. Okay. So Onel Sehas has come to the first place, Rehansa second, Setuli Okitma third, Gatsilu fourth, and Yonal Rashmika 5th. Now moving to question number 7. I blank rice. So Setuli has come to, Oneli is in the first place and Setuli second, and the other places are the same. Right. He is, yes, a very easy question. He is sleeping. So we are moving to question number 9. Look at the picture, right? I have blank color pens. Yes, I have 7 color pens, right? Okay, there's no change in the leaderboard. You are moving to question number 10 and you will get double points for this. Which is a shape? Right, which is a shape? මේ තියෙන දේවල්ගේ shape එකක් මොකක්ද? දැන් හැඩතලයකට තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? Apple, no. Then dog, no. Then chair, no. හැඩතලයක් නෙමෙයි. So the answer is circle. Circle කියන්නේ shape එකක්. Right, let's see the leaderboard. We are moving to question number 11. Who is a family member? Right. Teacher, driver, doctor, they are the jobs. So the answer is brother. Right. So we are moving to question number 12. So where do we sleep? අපි කොහෙද නිදාගන්නේ? In the kitchen? No. Oh, in the classroom? සමහරවිට classroom එකේ ඉඳන් නිින්ද යනවානේ. Boring වෙනකොට? Yes, but that's not the answer. And no one sleeps in the garden. කවුරුත් garden එකේ නම් නිදා ගන්න නැහැ. දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා kitchen එකේ නිදා ගන්න. Yeah, I think that you saw that girl නේ. එයා කෑම කන්නත් කලින් එයාට නිින්ද ගිහිල්ලා. Right. I know that you are not just like that. Right. So we all sleep on our bed. Okay. Right. Now changing the leaderboard. So we are moving to question number 13. Which animal has black and white stripes? So black and white stripes. See, the lion to know, blue whale, niltalmaha, and tiger no. So the correct answer is zebra. Right. Well done. You all have marked the correct one as zebra. Right. Okay. Now changing the leaderboard. We are moving to question number 14. Which animal is very slow? Cheetah? Is cheetah very slow? Oh God, cheetah is the fastest one. One of the fastest one, right? So very slow. Now you saw the picture. It was a sloth. Yeah, sloth. But that answer is not here. You know, how the method in slow. Not cheetah, not horse, not snake. The answer is turtle. Right. So Setuli has come to the honor list in the first place. Setuli second, and Rehansa has gone to third. Gatsilu fourth, and Susmi Sayundi fifth. Right. So we are going to question number 15, and you will get double points for this. What do we wear to school? Right. All the answers are correct. We wear a uniform to school, not a towel, not a coat, not pyjamas, just the uniforms. Right, okay. So Susmi Sainde has come to the 4th place and Gatsilu has gone to 5th place. So we are moving to question number 16. What falls from clouds? Right, what falls from clouds? Falls වැටෙනවා. යනවාද වැටෙන්නේ clouds වලින්? Sand වැලි වැටෙනවද? Fire ගින්දර වැටෙනවද වලාකුළු වලින්? And smoke දුම වැටෙනවද? No. So the rain falls from the clouds. වැස්ස තමයි වැටෙන්නේ clouds වලින්. Right? So the answer is rain. Alright, now changing the leaderboard. So we are moving to question number 17. How many fingers are on one hand? Alright, the first one was 3, 4 and 2. Right? The correct answer is 5. 3 tamai 5. Right. Okay, so Yonal Rashmika has come to 5th place. Other places are the same. Alright, so we are moving to question number 18. Which is a festival? What is a festival? Right? Festival කියන්නේ මොනවටද? උත්සවයට. නේද? So in the coming months we are going to celebrate a festival that is called Sinhala and Tamil or Sinhala and Hindu New Year. නේද? සිංහල දෙමළ අලුත් අවුරුද්ද කියන්නේ. That is one festival, right? And you know some other festivals? Thai Pongal, Deepavali, Vesak festival, Utsava. නේද? Right. So Monday, Sanduda, it is a day that is from an April. මොන මාසෙද festival එක සමරන්නේ කියලා නෙමෙයි මෙතන අහලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? Not the month. Which is a festival? මොකක්ද මෙතනින් festival එකක් වෙන්නේ? Not morning. So the answer is Christmas. නත්තල් උත්සවය කියන්නේ අපිනේ. Right, that is the answer. Christmas. Okay. So Susmi Sayindi has gone to 3rd place, Rehan Sakibni has gone to 4th place, and Yonali is still in the 5th place. Right. So we are moving to question number 19. How many sides does a square have? Right. What is a square? Square means සමචතුරස්‍රය. How many sides? සමචතුරස්‍රයට පැති කීයක් තියෙනවද? 6 හයක් තියෙනවද? 2 දෙකයිද තියෙන්නේ? 3 තුනයිද තියෙන්නේ? No. 4. The square has 4 sides. Right. So this is the leaderboard. Onel is in the 1st place. Susmi Sayindi has come to 2nd place. Rehan Sakibni 3rd place. Setuli Okitma 4th place. And Mahidi Nulara 5th place. Right. So we are moving to question number 20. And you will get double points for this. It's a math question. Ali has 2 apples. He gets 3 more. How many apples now? Ali has 2 apples. He gets 3 more. And how many apples does he have? Yes, right. The question says, ඔන්න එක ගණන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් බලන්න. Ali has 2 apples. අලිට තියෙනවා apples දෙකක්. apple ගෙඩි දෙකක්. He gets 3 more. තව එයාට apple ගෙඩි 3ක් හම්බ වෙනවා. Then all together he has got 5 apples. That is the answer. Okay. So Onel is still in the 1st place and Susmi Sayindi 2nd place, Setuli Okitma 3rd, Mahidi Nulara 4th, and Senuli is in the 5th place. Right. So we are moving to question number 21. It also a math question. Just read the question well. I have 3 books. My friend gives me 3 more. Then the total. Yes, that is very easy one. I have 3 books. මට පොත් 3ක් තියෙනවා. My friend gives me 3 more. මගේ යාළුවා තව 3ක් දෙනවා. Then I have altogether I have got 6 books. Right. Okay, no change in the leaderboard. So we are moving to question number 22. What do we use to smell? Yes, smell. මොනවද අපි use කරන්නේ? Smell කරන්න. අපි මොකද්ද use කරන body part එක? නේ? සුවඳ ආග්‍රහණය කරගන්න. Which one? Yes, not eyes. as වලින් අපි සුවඳ අහන්නේ නැහැ. නේ? Not tongue. දිවෙන් සුවඳ අහන්නේ නැහැ. දිවෙන් අපි taste. Right? Then ears. Right? We hear from ears. And we smell from our nose. That is the correct answer. We smell from the nose. Alright. Okay, no change in the leaderboard. You all are doing great. Okay. So, this is question number 23. What pumps blood in our body? Yes. What pumps blood in our body? Blood? ලේ. පම්ප් කරනවා අපේ ශරීරයට blood නැත්නම් ලේ pump කරන්නේ කොහෙන්ද? මොකෙන්ද? right? Is that brain? අපේ මොළයෙන් මේ ලේ පම්ප කරනවද අපේ ශරීරය පුරා යවනවද? No. Hands වලින් blood pump කරන්නේ නෑ. Not legs even. legs වලිනුත් නෑ. Then the correct answer is heart. heart එකෙන් තමයි අපේ blood pump කරන්නේ. මුළු ශරීරය පුරාම යවන්නේ heart එකෙන් pump කරලා, right? That is the answer. Okay, so Setuli is in the 3rd place and Senuli has come to the 4th place and Minuli Rasarthana is in the 5th place. Alright, so we are moving to question number 24. What do plants need to grow? Right, what do plants need to grow? පැලවලට මොනවද? ඒවා වැවෙන්න නම් ඒවා grow up වෙන්න නේ වර්ධනය වෙන්න මොනවද අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ? right? not toys එළඹඩු අවශ්‍ය නැහැ ගස් වල පැලවලට. not the trees ගස් අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ නැහැ පැලවලට grow වෙන්න නේ. ගස් කියන්නේ පැලයක් කුංචි පැලයක් වර්ධනය වුණාමනේ ගහ වෙන්නේ. නේද? ඒතර ගහ පැලේ වර්ධනය වෙන්න මොනවද ඕන වෙන්නේ? so the plants need water to grow. Water is the correct answer. Right. Okay, so Minuli Rasarthana has come to the 4th place and Senuli has gone to 5th place. So we are moving to the last question and it will be your last question and you will get double points for this. What melts ice? Okay, so there are only 12 correct answers. What melts? Melt වෙනවා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Right? Melt වෙනවා කියන්නේ දිය වෙනවා. නේද? What melts ice? Ice දිය වෙන්නේ කොහොමද? Right? Now did you see the picture? පින්තූරේ දැක්කද? ඒකේ ice අර කුට්ටි තිබ්බ ඒවා දිය වෙලා තියෙනවානේ. right. so cold සීතල නිසා ice දිය වෙනවද? no, it doesn't happen. Ice doesn't melt in the cold. Then the wind සුළඟ තියෙනකොට ice melt වෙනවද? දිය වෙනවද? and the rain වැස්ස කියලා ice දිය වෙනවද? no. Then the ice melt in heat. And the ice heat. රස්නේ තියෙනකොට තමයි ice දිය වෙන්නේ. Right? Okay, so the answer is heat. Alright, so that is the end of that. Let's see the leaderboard. Right, who do you think is the winner today? Ada කවුරු win කරන්න ඇති කියලාද හිතන්නේ ඔයාලා? Yes, who might be the champion today? Any guesses? Okay, right, no guesses, ne? So let's see the leaderboard. Alright, here's the podium. So the 3rd place goes to Senuli girl. Then the 2nd place goes to Susmi Sayundi. And today's champion is Onel Sehas. Right, Sasmita and Setuli Okitma are beside them and others are here in front of the podium. Right? Okay, so congratulations, the winners.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Today don't go. ඔන්න දැන් audience එකේ හිටපු අය යන්න එපා. ඔන්න audience එකට question එකක් තියෙනවා. පොඩි game එකක්. Right, this is it. You have to make the correct word. ඔයාලට තියෙන correct word එක හදන්න. අර link එකෙන් ගියාම ඔයාලට මේක තනියම කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right, ඔන්න එහෙනම් අපි බලමු ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන වචන ටික මොනවද කියලා. So shall I ask one by one? මම එක එක්කෙනාගෙන් අහනවා. එතකොට මට උත්තර දෙන්න ඕනේ ඈ. Right. Sayum. What is this word? Sayum. Arrange the letters correctly and tell me the correct word. What is it?
Bed.
Yes. What are the spellings?
B-E-D.
Yes. Bed. Correct. Next one. Risindira Nulya.
Cat.
Cat. Spellings?
A-T.
Right. Right. This one?
Milk.
Milk. Yes. Right. What's this?
Room.
Right. It's the room. Okay. Next one. This. What is this?
Table. 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 Table.
Yeah. Right. Next one. What is this?
Class. Class.
Okay.
Class.
Class. Next one. What's this?
Cupboard. Cupboard. Cupboard.
Yes. It's the cupboard. Next one.
Gate. 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 Okay.
Right. This one.
Desk. 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 Desk.
Last one.
Animal. Animal.
Yes, that's right. ඔය වගේ අපිට ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණ රාශියක් තියෙනවා නේද? All right. Then goodbye everyone.